3D printing is the future of jewelry manufacturing. It breaks the limitations of complex designs. Let's enter 3D printing production together. You can create a gorgeous, intricate wire bangle in just 4 hours using the Ifun Mini Giant Pro. Even 0.25mm filaments can be perfectly rendered. After high wax resin printing, the size is stable and the shrinkage rate is less than 0.15%. This resin is also easy to cast with 80% high wax content, clearly defined diamond inlay holes, and a low thermal expansion rate.